Welcome to another myForest tutorial. In this video you will learn what the snapping tool is and how to use it when mapping compartments, sub-compartments and features. The snapping tool allows you to quickly map around existing compartments, sub-compartments, features, cutouts, buffers and RLR boundary imports accurately without creating overlaps or gaps in your mapping. In myForest, you can snap to corners or edges. You can also change the snapping sensitivity to 5, 10, 20 or 30 meters. You will be given the option to choose your snapping options when adding new mapping or editing existing mapping. As you're mapping compartments, sub-compartments and features, you can switch between snapping, between corners, edges, or turning off the snapping tool. You can also change the sensitivity while snapping. Snapping is a great way to ensure you create accurate maps in myForest.